Hello, friends. Welcome to We Learn It, a platform to upgrade ourselves. Today, we're going to see the first lesson of this series, that is Computer Basic Shortcut Keys. So, not taking more time, let's start. The general computer shortcut keys, Windows shortcut keys, third one, function shortcut keys, the fourth one, shortcut keys for Google. So, let's see them one by one. The first category is the general computer shortcut keys. Here, the first key is the Control A. It is used to select all. We can select all multiple files together. We can select all text together, so on and so forth. The second key is Control C, and this is used for copy the selected content. The next, Control V. This is used to paste the selected content, and then Control W. This combination of keys we can use to close the window or close the browser. The window where we are actually working, we can close it, or the browser we are working with, we can close immediately if it is open. Then Control X. This we use to cut the selected content. Alt F4. This is used for close the active program or item. By using Alt F4, we can close the active program. Imagine if you're using a Google browser, so by using Alt F4, we can close it. Or if you're typing any text into MS Word or Excel or PPT or any other softwares, so we can close it by using Alt F4. Then Alt Tab, so we can use it to switch between the programs or windows. If we are using the multiple programs, multiple softwares at a time, so by using Alt Tab together, we can switch between them. We can jump to other program by using Alt Tab. And then Control Shift Escape. And this is used for to open the task manager, the Windows shortcut keys. So let us see what kind of shortcut keys are available in this list. The one is Windows D, and this is used for to show or hide our desktop. Then we have the Windows plus E. The Windows E combination of keys we can use to open the file manager or my computer, or also I can say Windows Explorer. From here we can get into any files. And then Windows I, we can use it to open the settings. And then Windows L, we can use it to lock our computer. Then Windows M, we can use it to minimize all windows at a time. Then Windows R, by this we can start our run command prompt, run thing, the run dialog box where we can type any shortcut keys to open any kind of programs. And then Windows tab, it will open the task view. And then Windows plus print screen key, through which we can save the screenshot directly into picture folder. So by pressing Windows print screen key together, we can directly take a screenshot and it will get automatically saved into picture folder. So now let's get into third section, and that is function shortcut keys. F2 key we use to rename the selected file, folder or anything. The F3 key we use it to search for file or folder. By pressing this, the search menu will get open, whereas we need to type the file or folder that we are searching for. F4 key to display the address bar in my computer. F5 key to refresh the active window. F7 key to check the spell and grammar in MS Word or even in the Outlook. F8 key to enter the Windows startup menu. I mean, F8 we can use to get into our safe mode section, or if you want to do something at the beginning of while booting our computer, then we can use F8 key. F10 key to activate the menu bar in our active program. F11 key we can use it to maximize and minimize the active windows. Now let's get into next section, the fourth one, the shortcut keys for Google. It works in Google browser. The first one, the Control E, and this we can use to open the search bar. The second one, Control H, and this key we can use to open the history bar. And the Control L, this one we can use to move the cursor to the URL. And Alt V we can use to move the cursor again to URL where we type a particular address of a particular website. Control N, we use it to start a new window in the same browser or of the same browser. Control T to get a new tab. If you're using Google browser, at the same time when you click on Control T, it will open a new tab beside of it, beside of your current tab. And Control Shift and T together, it will reopen the recently closed tabs by incidentally or by mistakenly if you have closed your browser. So when you reopen it, the browser, then you press Control Shift and T together. Then what happens is it will open your all recent closed tabs. The Control tab to jump the next open tab. So when you have multiple tabs open, when you're doing multiple works together, when you are into multiple websites, so by using Control tab, you can jump into different websites, different tabs. The last one, Control Shift and Tab. It is used to jump to the previous open tab. Hope this video has helped you a little. Please share your views about this video in comment box. And if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos.